So yeah, we just come through Tilstone on the Shroppy, or the Shropshire Union Canal. This is local to us at the moment, and this was a little chug that we did just before the restrictions were put in place by the CRT. And we're playing around with some new cameras as well. Just getting a feel for them, what they do, the speeds, etc. Such a gorgeous stretch of canal this. Going under the railway. Past Anglo Welsh, I nearly crashed. Heading up to Bunbury Staircase locks. And the stables that are here, that, yeah, we were kind of wondering about, but common sense told us were actually for fresh horses. And that's what I love about the canals as well. There's so much information if you just take a minute to read it. It's all there. And that can give you signposts to where you can do more research should you want to. One thing I've noticed is a lot of ladies do the locks while the guys do the driving or chugging, sailing, whatever it is, whatever terminology you use. So we're coming up with a way that we can do locking equally whilst I'm just getting a feel for the boat. Eventually, once I know Guy like the back of my hand, then I'll be locking too. Pussycat joined us, which was lovely. I love being amongst nature and wildlife, even the domesticated type. We've got our cats on board now, and they're just taking the time to find the sea legs, but I'm sure you'll see them around. One thing we've noticed whilst the recent events have been going on is how clear the skies are, how blue the sky is. The planet's taking a breather. She's finding her calm. Hope you guys are too. Just coming up to Calvi now, Calvi Services, where we left our key. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. Hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. There'll be more. Take care.